Did you know that just a few minutes of meditation each day can significantly reduce stress and improve overall well-being? In today's fast-paced world, finding peace can feel impossible, as we are constantly on the move. We are constantly bombarded with information, tasks, and demands, making it hard to find a moment to breathe. It's no wonder so many of us feel overwhelmed and anxious, struggling to keep up with the pace of modern life. Meditation offers a refuge, a way to find calm amidst the chaos, providing a sanctuary for the mind. It is a practice that has been around for centuries, and its popularity is growing as more people discover its transformative benefits, both mentally and physically. Meditation is not about emptying your mind. It's about training your mind to focus and be present, allowing you to live in the moment. This essay will gently guide you, as a beginner, into the world of meditation, offering tips and techniques to get started. We will explore the simple yet powerful techniques that can help you experience greater peace, clarity, and happiness in your life, making each day a little brighter. Meditation is a journey, and like any journey, it begins with a single step, a commitment to yourself. Let's take that step together, embracing the path to a more mindful and serene life. What exactly is meditation? Simply put, meditation is a practice that cultivates awareness, focus, and inner peace. It involves finding a comfortable position, closing your eyes, and paying attention to your breath. As you breathe in and out, you gently guide your mind back to the present moment whenever it wanders into thoughts about the past or worries about the future. This might sound simple, but training your mind to stay present takes practice. Meditation is not about stopping your thoughts altogether. It's about observing them without judgment and returning your attention to your breath. Think of your breath as an anchor, gently grounding you in the present moment. Meditation is a journey of self-discovery. It allows you to connect with your inner self, to find a place of stillness and peace within. It's a practice that can benefit everyone, regardless of age, background, or beliefs. Many beginners hesitate to try meditation because of common misconceptions. These myths can create unnecessary barriers. You might think, I'm too busy to meditate, or I have too many responsibilities to find the time. Or perhaps you believe, my mind is too active, I could never meditate. These thoughts are common but not insurmountable. These are understandable concerns, but they are simply not true. Meditation is for everyone, regardless of how busy or stressed you are. You don't need to be a monk or a spiritual guru to meditate. Anyone can do it anywhere, anytime. And you don't need hours of free time. Even a few minutes can be incredibly beneficial. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. It's about quality, not quantity. It's about incorporating small moments of mindfulness into your daily routine. You can meditate while waiting for your coffee to brew or during a short break at work. Another misconception is that meditation is about emptying your mind. This can be intimidating and discouraging. That's not the goal at all. The aim is to become aware of your thoughts without getting caught up in them. It's perfectly normal for thoughts to arise during meditation. They are a natural part of the process. The key is to simply observe them without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. This practice helps build focus and calm. Meditation is a practice, not a performance. It's about progress, not perfection. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Everyone's experience is unique. Be kind to yourself and let go of any expectations of perfection. Embrace the journey and enjoy the benefits it brings. Ready to begin your meditation journey? This is the perfect moment to embark on a path of tranquility and self-discovery. Here are some practical tips to help you get started on this transformative journey. First, find a quiet space. This is essential for creating a conducive environment for meditation. Choose a calm and quiet place where you can relax without distractions. It should be a sanctuary where you feel at ease. It could be a corner of your room, a spot in nature, or anywhere you feel at peace. Next, get comfortable. Comfort is key to maintaining focus. Find a comfortable seated position. This could be cross-legged on a cushion, seated on a chair, or even lying down if that suits you best. You can sit on a cushion, a chair, or even lie down. The most important thing is to keep your spine straight but not stiff. This helps in maintaining alertness. The most important thing is to keep your spine straight but not stiff. Then, set a timer. This helps in managing your session without distractions. Start with shorter sessions, even just 5 to 10 minutes, and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. Consistency is more important than duration. Setting a timer will prevent you from checking the clock and breaking your focus. It allows you to fully immerse in the practice. Finally, focus on your breath. This is the anchor that keeps you grounded in the present moment. Close your eyes gently and turn your attention to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of your breathing. Notice the rise and fall of your abdomen as you inhale and exhale. This simple act of observation can bring immense calm. Your breath is your anchor, always there to guide you back to the present moment. Whenever your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of self-discovery and inner peace. It's about progress, not perfection. Each session is a step forward, no matter how small. Be patient with yourself, be kind to your mind, and enjoy the process of cultivating inner peace. Embrace each moment as it comes.